Hi, I'm Ryan from Accelerate Marketing. We're here to help businesses turn their online presence into real, trackable leads. Today, I want to talk about something that's confusing a lot of people right now. If AI search is taking over, why does Google still control more than 90% of the search market? Let's be honest, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Copilot, they're incredible innovations. They're changing the way people discover and process information. But even with all this new tech, the truth is that when people are ready to buy, they're still going to one place, Google. Here's why. It's not just about better technology, it's about behavior. For over 25 years, Google has trained billions of people to search the same way every single day. It's built into our habits. You open Chrome and Google's there. You open Safari and your iPhone, and Google paid billions to be sure it's still there too. That means Google doesn't just have users, it has reflexes. And reflexes take decades to change. Even as AI tools shift how we question, they haven't changed where those searches happen. If someone's looking for a plumber, a dentist, or a personal injury attorney, they're not asking ChatGPT, they're typing it into Google. At Accelerate Marketing, we see this firsthand every single day. Our clients who stay focused on optimizing their Google business profile, collecting authentic reviews, and investing in local search engine optimization consistently dominate their local markets. They're not chasing trends, they're mastering the ecosystem that drives actual phone calls, book jobs, and revenue. If you want to learn more, check out our channel for more insights on everything local marketing. And here's the thing, even AI tools rely on Google's data to function. That's right, Google's algorithm is fueled by over 2 decades of search trust and verified results. That's something AI hasn't replicated. So if you want to win in 2025 and beyond, your strategy needs to focus on long-term visibility. That means optimizing your reputation, publishing clear and credible content, and making sure you show up where your customers are already searching. Because 90% of the time, that's still Google. If you want to learn how to leverage that dominance to grow your business, check out our post on mastering local search intent at the link in the description. The bottom line is this, AI is exciting, but Google remains the foundation. The businesses who understand how to maximize that dominance are the ones who will continue to win. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm Brian from Accelerate Marketing, helping you turn search visibility into measurable results.